Once upon a time, deep in the mountains, there was a small village. In the village, there was a 24-year-old young man named Marco. Marco felt uneasy all the time. His mind was always busy with different thoughts. From morning till night, different thoughts kept coming and going in his mind. These thoughts made him feel unhappy and tired. He was always thinking about his past mistakes and felt sad. He worried a lot about his future and other things. Because of these thoughts, his mind was like a stormy sea. He could not feel calm. He couldn't sleep well at night, and he even forgot how to smile. One day, Marco met an old man from that village. Marco told him about his problems. The old man listened to him patiently and said, "There is a village in the hills. In that village, a wise old man lives. He is very famous. Once he was a psychologist in the city. He helped many people to find peace in their minds. Now he is old and tired. He has left the city and lives in that village. If you want, you can go and meet him. Maybe he can help you." Marco became curious and hopeful. He thanked the old man and started his journey to the hills. After many days of hard work, he found that village. When he entered the village, he saw a small house. There was greenery all around the house. On the porch of the house, the old man was sitting quietly with his eyes closed. Marco went to him and said softly, "Respected sir, my mind is very restless. I cannot control my thoughts. I want to find peace in my mind. Can you help me?" The old man slowly opened his eyes and gave a calm smile. He said, "You want peace, my child. I will give you a small task. Only when you do that, you will get peace." The old man took him to his small garden. Then he picked up a glass full of water and gave it to Marco. He said, "Take this glass to the edge of the village and bring it back. But remember, you should not spill even a single drop of water." Marco took the glass and started walking. The road was narrow. There were people. There were dogs. But Marco did not notice any of them. He was fully focused on the glass. After some time, he came back to the old man and said, "Respected sir, I did it. I did not spill any water." The old man gave him a gentle smile and asked, "Tell me, did you see the children playing on the way? Did you hear the dogs barking?" Marco looked surprised and said, "No, I did not see or hear anything. I was only paying attention to the glass." The old man said, "This is the secret. You were only thinking about the water in the glass. At that moment, you were not thinking about your past or worrying about the future. That's why your mind became calm. That's what it means to be present in the moment." Marco understood everything. He thanked the old man and started his journey back home. From that day on, Marco tried his best to keep his mind in the present moment. Whenever he would feel troubled, he would remember the lesson he learned from the old man. And slowly, his mind started becoming calm and he started feeling peace within himself. Friends, if you like this story, then press it like and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for listening.